9-year-old has cough and cold in the night daily, suggest what we can do.
So I can give you some general guidelines, but if there is something more concrete, I don't want you to take this as total medical advice, and make sure you interact with your pediatrician on this. A lot of times the kids will have postnasal drip, will have some mucus that has collected and causes them to cough. So you want to make sure that they're elevated, that if you can give them some steam prior to sleep, you make sure they blow out their nose. And if they require any medications, definitely check with your pediatrician on what's required.